Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include seat memory, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moon roof. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2015 ES350. The Lexus ES350 is a sophisticated combination of distinctive styling, luxury, and smooth performance. A 3.5-liter V6 engine propels the ES from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds. And the countless standard interior features transport you to a new level of luxury and convenience, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.